In this episode, I visit the beautiful Dolmabahçe Palace, take a tour of the Besiktas Stadium, visit the Dolmabahçe Mosque, get a massage from the world famous Anil Cakmak, and get my hair cut by a traditional barber.
Good morning. I start the day with a tour at the Dolmabahçe Palace. I bought a ticket in advance so I can skip the line. So let's go inside. The Dolmabahçe Palace, the largest modern palace in Turkey, boasts 258 rooms and 46 halls, offering visitors an extensive exploration of its majestic grandeur. Its historical significance as the official residence of six sultans and a caliph from 1856 to 1924 adds a profound layer of interest. This palace showcases Ottoman architecture at its finest, with a central hall surrounded by rooms. Its regal charm is accentuated by 14 tons of gold adorning its ceilings and multiple structures within the palace, providing a glimpse of the opulence of the Ottoman era. One of the palace's most striking features is a stunning Bohemian crystal chandelier, believed to have been a gift from Queen Victoria, adding to its imperial aura.
The Dolmabahçe Palace housing an impressive collection of paintings by Turkish and Western artists.
A visit to the palace provides a unique insight into the lifestyle of Ottoman royalty through its preserved original furniture and richly decorated interiors. As a testament to Turkey's historical evolution, the palace served as a presidential palace for Kemal Atatürk, the founder father of the Republic of Turkey. Set against the backdrop of the Bosporus Strait, the palace and its surrounding gardens offer breathtaking views, a treat for nature and photography lovers. I'm right now at the stadium of Besiktas. I booked a stadium tour, so let's go inside. Let's look how the stadium is. Stadium tour starts in the museum. You will be taken through the rich history of the club. We are also allowed to view the Besiktas dressing room. This is the room where the press conferences are held. We visit the pitch via the players' tunnel with a beautiful view of the stands. The stadium has a capacity of 42,445 seats.
I'm right now at the barber shop of Anil Cakmak. He's a very famous barber on YouTube, millions of subscribers. I made an appointment with him to get a massage, a head massage. So let's go in.
Hi guys, welcome to a new video. My guest is Michel from the Netherlands. I will give him the great ASMR head massage. If you want to book a reservation, you can contact me on Instagram.
Hi guys, I'm Michel from the Netherlands. I traveled to Istanbul to get a massage by Anil. Enjoy this video.
10 seconds. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Okay.
Oh, that's amazing.
Thank you.
After an amazing massage from Anil, I walked to another barber to get a haircut.
Gelirken Aysel teyzemiz görüldü içeri. Güzel de manget yapalım.
Ne bekliyorsun? Tamam taş bitti. 5 yıl taş bu kadar ama. Tamam o kadar.
Very friendly barber Omar has more than 40 years of experience. His shop is one of the traditional barbershops in Istanbul.
Şu an müsait değil mi? Şu yapacağız. Bir işler biraz yamuk. İşte mesele. Bugünlerden iyi oluyor.